A line-scan camera can also be used in all of these four major components that we put up here. You can tell, apart from the car, the scanning at the checkpoints, we also have the printing security. Yeah, we have the printing industry. Also, we have the leather detection. Also, we have the metal detection. Also, we have vehicle detection. So this camera not only work as a security or surveillance camera at the checkpoint, it can also work in these facilities and in this industry, like printing industry, leather detection industry, defective detection, metal detection, also vehicle detection like the one we saw in the video. So that's the main thing about the camera. You spend a little bit of money, maybe you spend a sum of money, but this camera can give you a 80% of workload or profit in terms of in terms of how this came from the money you spend. So you pay less, but you get a very good item, very high quality. It can do all of this task.